Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing great. For this week's video, I have a very different kind of styling video for you guys, wherein I am going to be styling a pre-draped sari in not one, not two, but 5 different ways. So usually pre-draped saris are not considered a very versatile piece because there are not many ways of styling them, perhaps just 1 or 2, but I am going to be breaking that myth in today's video and styling the same pre-draped sari in 5 different ways, so you guys will have different ideas which are extremely wearable and look very fresh at the same time. Now the pre-draped sari that I am going to be styling is the one that I'm wearing right now. I bought this from a local shop in my city, which is why I will not be able to provide you guys with the link to the exact same sari. However, I will find similar pieces and link them in the description box down below. So if you guys want similar pieces for yourself, you can definitely get your hands on them as well. Now, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I come up with videos on fashion, lifestyle and DIYs every week. So if you like the content that I have for you and want to watch more such videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends and like this video if you like this video. And yeah, let's dive right in. The first style is the most basic, but I included it to show you guys how beautifully the sari sits on the body. I'm adding a watch along with these huge statement earrings which have already featured in so many of my videos now, I've lost count. I love how beautifully the pleats fall throughout the sari, and here's the back of the blouse that came along with it. The ruffle detailing at the sides look extremely pretty, and I love the sequin detailing of the blouse. On that note, here's a quick hack. If the pallu of your sari is draped over your chest like this, it's actually going to make you look slightly plump, but if you slide the pallu down a little, it'll give the illusion of more height and a much more flattering silhouette because the pallu is now draped over your waist. Try this hack out yourselves and you'll see the difference instantly, and do share your experience of this hack in the comments. Channeling my inner gothic self, I'm adding a belt to add some element to my look. The cherry on top will be this leather jacket that I'll be adding for an extremely edgy style, and I'll retain the rest of the accessories here. Totally digging the combination of the jacket and belt in conjunction to the traditional sari drape, and because of the existent modernity of the pre-draped sari, this outfit looks absolutely stunning. For weddings in slightly colder places, the jacket will also keep you warm, so it's anyway a win-win situation. Really, if you guys haven't tried pre-draped saris yet, trust me, you're going to fall in love with how stunning it looks on every body type. On to this look, which by the way, you guys aren't ready for. Drape the sari around your chest in a way such that the pleats come to the center of your body. Use the hooks provided in the sari to secure it in place. Next, take the remaining portion and drape it over your chest the same way as before. By doing this, the ruffles will fall in a slant way downwards. Repeat the drape over your chest one last time and pin the excess to the back with someone's help. Now pull the excess fabric to your waist so it looks like a beautiful belt, and there you go. This cinches your waist and gives you an amazing silhouette. I'll add a necklace here to draw attention to my collarbones and skip the earrings. And with some heels to make the look more cohesive, I'm ready for date night. If we did have prom nights in our schools, this right here would be my outfit. Moving on to my favorite way of styling saris, the pants style. I've elevated my outfit game by pairing these thigh-high boots with my sari, which again is such an unexpected combination. I love experimenting with my looks and pairing unexpected elements together. It makes you look so stylish and definitely out of the crowd. To accessorize a bit more, I've added these really beautiful rings. You can pretty much sport this look with any sari of yours. And by the way, if you guys feel like this is not an outfit which is wearable, here are some pictures of me wearing the exact same thing to my cousin's wedding. The only thing you need is confidence, and I guarantee you'll do it 100 times better than me. On to the last look, I've taken the pallu from the front and simply draped it to the front from my shoulder. If you're bored of having worn your pre-draped sari the same way, this could be a great way of changing the look. You can add a tiny little chain to your waist too for a little more detailing if you like. I'm using the same accessories as before, and you'll see how basic draping technique tweaks here and there can completely change the look. If you're wearing a plain sari this way, ensure that your blouse is heavy because in this drape, your blouse is the major highlight. This could be a great outfit for cocktail parties as well. I don't know, it gives me the cocktail party vibe somehow. What do you guys think? And with that, it's a wrap for this week's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel before you leave for more such content. So if you do decide to sport any of these 5 looks with your pre-draped saris as well, don't forget to take a picture and tag me or send me a DM on social media. I'm going to be linking all of my social media handles right here at the bottom of the screen. So you guys can send me your beautiful pictures over there, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye!